How to restore contacts on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open Settings application in your mobile device. Once you open it up, simply tap on your Apple ID. And once you are here, simply tap on iCloud. Now, once you are in this section, scroll below and then tap on Show All. Now from apps using iCloud, make sure Contacts is toggled on. And now simply tap on Merge. Now once it is toggled on, head back to Settings again. Scroll below and then simply tap on Mail. Now inside Mail, simply tap on Accounts. Now go ahead and select Gmail. And make sure that the Contacts is also toggled on. Also make sure that you have your Gmail account logged in. Now once it is done, you'll be able to restore contacts on iPhone. And that is it for today's video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.